this video, we'll explore the RPR mobile app for accessing commercial property information, market conditions, and reports. If you haven't already downloaded the RPR app, do so now by visiting the App Store or Play Store on your smartphone. To begin, tap the RPR app icon on your phone and log in using your RPR credentials. Immediately arrive on the map search screen showing your current location. Tap the search field to switch from a residential to commercial search. You can also run a specialty commercial search here or rerun recent searches. A specialty search, such as owner name or distressed, takes your search area and places that filter on the area. Each specialty search has different parameters to choose and apply. If we choose distressed, we can change our location, choose the distressed status to search by, and select a recent date range or specific date range. Select search. Now we'll view a tag at the top of our map showing that we'll only be viewing distressed commercial properties. We can still add additional search filters here, but our map will only show distressed properties. The specialty search will be active until you've closed out the search filter. Remove by tapping the X. Tap the Filters button on the top right of the screen to show or hide properties based on their transaction and property types, listing statuses, price, building or lot size, ownership including time owned, keywords, and more. Tapping Apply will put these updated filters into effect. You can also set these updated filters as a default here. Tap the heart icon to save your search. Back to your map, pinch and zoom and tap on any property you want to view. Swipe up from the bottom to browse through a list view of the property shown, and swipe down to re-access the map. One tap to draw your search area, or tap More for distance search to change your map view, access traffic counts or real-time traffic, view parcels, view nearby schools, see all properties, which shows public records, or view the map legend. Tap Parcels to display parcel boundaries. The map will zoom to the parcel level, but to see off-market properties, you'll need to select all properties in the More menu. Notice gray pins appear. Now, in addition to active, recently sold, and distressed properties, you can also see every other off-market home in the neighborhood. Tap on any pin for additional information on that property. Pinch and zoom to get a closer view of the properties. Choose a property you want to view in detail. A tap on the map pin will open a quick preview with basic facts. Then tap on the record to view the full property details. Here you can see all of the available property photos. Scroll the photos or tap a photo to scroll through the complete set of photos. From the media viewer, you can access satellite, street, and map views. The map view also allows you to access traffic, both real-time and historical traffic counts. You can tap back to the listings view or get directions to the property from the map. More gets you the map view, parcels, and all properties. Historical allows you to see historical photos of the property. Tap Schools to see which schools are assigned to the property and access POIs or points of interest on the map view. Tap Edit POIs to choose anything from banks to parks. Select Apply and View on the map. Back to the property details page, scroll down the page to see property status, list or lease price, and physical characteristics. At any time, tap the bottom of the screen to call the agent, save the property, add notes, or generate a report. Here you can also reorder the sections of this page. So if you'd rather see tenant info or how this trade area compares at the top of your property details, simply drag and drop the section to the top and save your changes. Then when you view another property details page, this new customized order will show. Reset to default to go back to the standard order. Back to your details, below the estimated value are basic facts. Next, you'll see the property description and location details. Tap on the map, schools, traffic, or POIs to go back to the media viewer. Tap Listings to view nearby listings, or Directions to access your device's mapping function for directions straight to the property from your current location. See if the property is in a flood zone or check out the walkability score. If there are multiple listings for the property, that will show next, including the listing IDs and agent info. In the Property Facts section, you can access both public and MLS records by tapping Public or Listing to switch the view. Additional resources links out to our partners based off that property, such as Climate Check, Risk Factor, or Evaluate, our investor analysis tool. If the property is on market, the app will feature the agent's info, including their contact information and remarks. Tap on the phone number to initiate a phone call to the agent or the email to access your device's email program. Scroll to see listing details. Next is property features, both listing and public. Select View More for full details. School info follows, then listing history if the property is on market. This includes both the current and previous price change history, including date, specific price change, status, and change percentage. Next, review owner facts such as name, how long the property has been owned, mailing address, and number of tenants. Select Add to Contacts to add the owner to your phone's contact list. Scroll down to review financial details and tenant info. Swipe for more records or generate a tenant report. Legal description includes parcel number, zoning, census tract, and a plat map, followed by public record history. Select deed, tax, mortgage, or distressed if applicable. Scroll to see full info and swipe to view additional records. View prior sales transactions. Tap to change from MLS to Public Records View and swipe to see more records under each view. To have a greater understanding about the overall trade area compared with other geographies, review population, age, married, income, education, economy, commute to work, or home values. Select View More Trade Area Charts to expand your view. At the bottom of the screen, you can add your notes on the property. You can add a text note or photo, which will sync with the RPR website for your own experience and the reports you create. To add a photo, tap the Add Photo button and either take a photo using the camera on your smartphone or select from your camera album, and the photo will attach to your property. These photos and notes can be added to the last page of the report you generate, and one can be added as your report cover photo. Now let's create a report by tapping the Reports button. Select Add Report. We'll choose Trade Area Report to compile even more support data for site selection that includes demographics, psychographics, and consumer spending data. Tap on the report. Here you can choose the elements you'd like to include or not include in the reports. Tap Next and decide if you'd like to receive your PDF report via email or download it directly to your phone. Tap Run Report. Once your report has been generated, download it to your phone and view. From there, easily share the report with your clients by email, text, and more. Your report will be available for 30 days regardless of whether you log in from the RPR site or your phone. At any time, view your recent reports from the Reports button and share the reports you've run by tapping Share. You'll be able to text, mail, or airdrop reports in an instant. Now you can get started using the power of RPR Commercial on your phone.